Hello YouTube, welcome to another camp out and hunt. Poppa's going with me this time, where I'm going with him. He's the one that wanted to do this, so I guess I'm going with him. Which, hey, I'm always ready for camp out. We're going to go camp on a different creek. Stick with us. We're going to hunt a little bit. Dad's going to stretch a line or two and see what happens. I don't know, maybe a couple of nights, 3 maybe, I don't know. We'll see how it goes. But anyway, stick with us. Should be fun anyway. Well, we got camp set up. Little creek. Poppa's out there setting the line out. Turn the camera on so you can see him. Here's my hammock. I got a little small hammock here for just napping in the evening or in the daytime. And there's Poppa's out there doing his lines. So we'll be fishing here shortly, and it's about 2 o'clock, so probably go get on the ground close to a deer run that I found the other day. And I don't know, I mean, all the acorns are gone in here too, so, but deer pretty much run this lake, and we're kind of off the lake a little bit, so anyway, it's about as good as you're gonna get. Hot, man, I tell you what, it's in the 70s. A little unusual for 1st of December, but hey, you know, I've seen it worse than this. I've seen it in the 90s and Christmas, so you never know. We just don't start getting really cold weather until the end of December, 1st of January. January and February is our coldest months. So anyway, that's where we're at. Just sitting here kind of relaxing a little bit and getting rested up for the big hunt. We'll catch you guys in a little bit. All right, let's go hunting. Okay. Got an old logging road to my right. Got the wind hit me in the cheek. And I got a little oak flat just ahead of me. It's kind of like depression, a little draw. So, got a few white oaks here, right in front of me. You can see that. And a little bitty pine tree right there, little buck road. So, at least one little buck in here. And he may be just legal. Sit here for a few hours and see what happens. Well, it's probably about close to 4. So here a couple hours and I'll get eat up with mosquitoes, and the winds change. So rather than mess up a good spot, because I think this is a good spot, I see 2 buck scrapes or rugs just right in here. So this was a good run at one time. I don't know, since the acorns are gone, if they're going to continue to run through here or not, but hey, best I've seen yet. So rather than mess it up or me moving mosquitoes and all the thing, man, they're about to eat me up. And with a bad wind, I think I'm going to ease out of here. Wind's supposed to be coming out of the south tomorrow, so I think I'll try it tomorrow, so that's enough today. Well, it's just before dark. We just ate dinner. I had some grilled chicken. Daddy had a sausage sandwich. And he's going to check his lines. He's going to check the first trap first. He wants to check it just before dark. See if you got anything on there. So we're going to video it if he's got a fish. If not, if you don't see a fish. Huh? But anyway, so there he is. No perch in the trap.
Not a perch in it, not none.
Well, maybe you need to let it set a little bit longer.
See the moon yonder, son?
Yeah.
It's coming up about 3.
Yeah.
I got one on it down somewhere.
Is he trying to sink your boat?
Yeah. That's there next to the bank. Probably. Got a nice blue on it right here.
He's got a nice blue. Let's see if I can zoom in on it. All right, I got you on camera. Yes. Turn him around this way. That is a nice one.
Oh, another. 2. 2 more. That yonder's the biggest.
Well, if he says it's a big one, this must be a nice fish. Because he don't get too excited.
Blue, this is a big blue. Oh, another down there. Oh, look, he has a fish. Now I got the fish here. 3, 4, 5 big blues. 3 right here together, isn't it? 4, yeah, 4 together.
He is in heaven right now, folks. I don't know if y'all heard that or not, but he's got 4 together and another one on down. So he got 6 off that line. He just set it out a couple hours ago. So you think this might be a pretty good fishing spot?
Pretty good size fish.
Well, they weigh about 5-6 pounds.
Huh?
They weigh about 5-6 pounds. He still didn't understand me. How much do you think they weigh?
Oh, the little ones probably weigh about 2.5 pounds. These biggest ones here probably. Probably 3 to 5 pounds. There's 2 here like the same size. See that?
Yep.
You see them on your video?
Yes.
Yeah?
Yes. I'm sorry it's so shaky, folks, but I got it zoomed in so far.
Another one over there yonder. Blue too. Look here.
Yeah, I see it.
Another pretty good blue.
You need some help?
No, okay. Man, oh man, look at that fish. I never seen it like a fish. Must put some of these back today. Got too many fish in. Look at that fish.
That's 3 more. That's 3, ain't it?
Never seen it like a fish.
Well, you can fix them like what's his name wants them.
Look at that what a fish.
Yeah.
That's a big fish.
Douglas wants those fish like that just skinned. He don't want them. He don't want them bled or anything.
Yeah, 2 more. Blue. That one on blue.
Mosquitoes are eating me up. That one little old line, I bet it don't have 20 hooks on it, does it?
I think I'll bring them all in. We'll take them down, but bring them out and video them.
Okay.
Well, I don't need all them fish.
All right. Well, I'll turn the camera back on when he brings them back into the bank.
There's 2 more. There's 4 in here.
Nice fish. So how many is that?
2, 4, 6, 8 of them.
8. All right. Well, we're going to take them up to camp and skin them and dehead them and put them in the cooler. He's going to have to use the master woodsman because he threw his knife in the lake.
Yeah, sure did.
He's had that knife for what, a couple of years now, and he just now lost it? That is some record right there. All right, that's Poppa's fish. The line was out there maybe 2 hours, maybe. Out of 25 hooks, 8 fish. Or we're guessing 25. That's at the most 25 hooks. Good morning. Daddy's going to check his trap first and then check the lines. See if we got 8 again or beat the record. Out of 20, it's over 20 hooks. It's not bad. So me and him both just kind of deheaded them and skinned them and gutted them out, put them in the cooler. Got perch?
Good many perch in.
Yeah, I see them jumping in there now. Two deer not moving right now.
I got one right there. Mudcat. Good out, babe. Mudcat.
Mm.
The other one is here. He's bigger, too. He's bigger than anything I've caught so far. He's a big fish.
Yeah, nice fish.
I fish probably go 8 to 10 pounds. Living on it kind of. You last over there's another big blue. Look,
Yep.
see it?
Yeah.
Bigger. Another one down there. Oh, big fish.
Lord help, I ain't gonna ever get him out of this hole. He'll live. I'm gonna have to bring him water and food. Well, he probably just eats fish. Just have to go up there and check on him every few days.
There's one of them, nice blue. Got another.
Yep. Well, I think I'm gonna have to make a run to the house and get some more ice and drop these fish off because all he brought was one little jug of ice. And that ain't gonna be enough. I put one of my ice things in his cooler last night.
And tough hook.
And trying to keep the fish cold. Told him before he left the house to go by the shop and I'd fill his cooler up with ice. But no, boy, you were ready to go. He went by my shop on that four-wheeler and
Again.
nothing.
Big blue. These are bigger. You see him?
Yeah, I saw him.
See, that's all of them.
All right. We'll count him when he
Well,
gets.
is bigger than the one we caught.
Yeah, he just hollered that he had a broke hook, so guess he lost a bigger fish. Yeah, I'm not gonna ever get him out of this hole. He'd be wanting to come out here every week. That is one happy man right there. Well, there's one bucket of fish. That's a pretty good sized fish. There's another one, got a few in there. Got two little ones. See if I can pull one of them up.
There's 5 of them.
All total? You caught 5 this time with plus 1 mudcat, right?
5, 13 of them. 8 yesterday.
There's one.
He's a man.
I think that was the biggest one. It's the next to the biggest one. So, Papa's tired.
Huh?
You see Papa sitting down over there? Papa's tired.
Yeah, I'm telling you. I'm getting too old for this. But I like it. I can't stop.
Yeah.
Got to keep going.
Well, we're going to hang them on this tree and skin them out. And then I got to run them to the house. We don't even have enough bags to put them in. Came out here about half prepared, I think. Alright, well, I took those fish in, don't have any more ice. And and I think Daddy's a little tired too, so we're going to roll up and go to the house. So he's going to go check his lines one last time before he rolls up. And we'll get that on camera if we got any fish. Wave goodbye to the camera.
Yeah. Had a good fishing trip. They're not going to bite till the moon comes up. About 3 o'clock before this ends. Fishing's over with tonight.
Well, there you have it.
We're going in.
There you have it. No fish. We're going to roll them up and go to the house.
The turtles cleaned all my bait up.
Turtles got all his bait. All right, well, it's time to go to the house anyway. Hope you guys enjoyed this as much as we did, or Papa did. He thoroughly enjoyed this now. But we'll try to get him out as soon as he's able again. And you guys get in the backyard, whittle on a stick. Be sure and take your parents out if you can. Return the favor. And they took you out when you was a kid, so if you have the chance and opportunity, do that. Sometimes it's a pain, but it's worth it. So, till the next one, get in the backyard, whittle on a stick. Be sure and take plenty of Band-Aids and lots of knives with you. We'll catch you guys as soon as we can. Bye-bye.